Today we are going to learn how to expand and simplify an algebraic expression. The topic is expansion and simplification of algebraic expressions. So when we have to expand, basically we have to remove the bracket. I start with a small expression 3 bracket 2x plus 1. So when we shall expand, we shall just multiply this 3 with 2x, it will become 6x, and then the same 3 with 1 and it will be 3 ones are 3. Another expression, if we have x bracket minus 2x plus 3, we shall multiply this x with minus 2x. X multiplied by minus 2x will become minus 2x power 2, and then the same x multiplied by 3 will give us 3x. Okay, if I take minus 2x bracket 8x minus 3, I shall multiply this minus 2 with 8. Minus 2 8s are minus 16. X into x, this x square, and minus sign will change the inner sign. You will have plus 3 2s are 6x. Outside the bracket you may have constant, you may have variable, you may have variable with the constant both. But when you have a single number outside the bracket, it will be multiplied with every number inside. Or simply if you have a plus b inside, for example, you will have a square plus ab. And if we have, right now, if we have a multiply a plus b plus c, what we will do, we will multiply a with a square plus ab plus ac. Now we take another example. In this example, I am taking two brackets. In these two brackets, we have x plus 3 and x minus 6. We have to first expand, then we have to simplify. Okay, when we are expanding, basically we are opening one bracket and we are going to multiply the numbers with the other bracket, or in other words, x bracket x minus 6 plus 3 bracket x minus 6. You can see this x multiplied by the whole bracket plus 3 multiplied by the whole bracket, and when you will open it, x multiply x is x square, x into 6 minus 6x plus 3 into x 3x minus 6 3s are 18. This is the expansion, means you have removed both brackets. Now when you have to simplify, you will arrange the terms like terms. It is already arranged, x square here, then 6x negative and 3x positive. You will have negative 3x, and 18 as a constant will remain as minus 18. Another example of this type, 3x plus 1, changing the marker to differentiate between the questions, 2x plus 3. You can open this bracket, you can open this bracket, it's your choice. You can open this bracket, 3x bracket 2x plus 3 plus 1 bracket 2x plus 3, or you can also have 2x bracket 3x plus 1, 3 bracket 3x plus 1, it's your choice. Usually we open the first bracket and multiply it with the second bracket. 3x bracket 2x plus 3 plus 1 bracket 2x plus 3, expanding, 3 2s are 6x square, 3 3s are 9x, 1 into 2x remain 2x, and 1 3s are 3. Expanded. Now we are going to simplify. 6x square will remain as 6x square, 9 and 2 11x plus 3, and this is the answer. The next question which I am going to take is 3x minus 1 2x minus 3. Open 3x bracket 2x minus 3. Now the second bracket will be opened with minus 1 bracket 2x minus 3. You have to observe that this part remains the same and this part is taken here. Okay, while opening, we have to multiply first 3x with 2x and 3, and then 1 with 2x and 3. 3 2s are 6x square, 3 2s are 6, x into x, x square. 3 3s are 9, but it is negative 9x minus 1 into 2x minus 2x. This minus sign will change this minus sign and you will have plus 3. So you will be having 6x square, 9x and 2x both are negative. You will be having 11x plus 3. Another question, 1 minus 7x. I am trying to explain with different examples. 11x minus 4. Definitely we are going to open one bracket. You can open this, you can open that. Okay, one bracket 11x minus 4 minus 7x bracket 11x minus 4. 11 multiply 1 is 11x minus 4 ones are 4 minus 7 into 11 77x square minus minus plus 7 4s are 28x. Now like terms, you can see there are like terms. 11x minus 4, 77x square minus 7 4s are 28x. So basically you are going to have 11x and 28x together. I arrange them. 77x square, I should write it in the start. Okay, I write it in my next step. 77x square, as it has coefficient x square, so I shall write it in the start, but there is no hard and fast rule for it. But for convenience we write first x square then x. 11x and 28x both are negative, both are positive, so it is 39x minus 4. I am going to do the same question with the second bracket here, so I shall just erase 3 steps and I will not erase the answer. Just to clear you that if you take the second way to open the brackets, you will have the same answer. Okay. If we open this bracket, I use black marker for this. If we open this bracket 11x bracket 1 minus 7x minus 4 bracket 1 minus 7x, notice I have opened this bracket instead of 11x minus 4. I have taken this bracket inside. Okay, now multiply 11x multiply 1, 11x. 7 multiply 11, 77x. Negative minus 4 minus minus plus, this negative sign will change the inner sign, and 7 4 are 28x. Notice this 28x and 11x is 39x. Sorry, this is 11 into 7 x square. Minus 77x square is here, minus 4 is here. Your answer is same. Another form of question is 4 bracket 2a plus 3 plus 5 bracket a plus 3. First of all, you will expand and then simplify. 4 2s are 8a plus 4 3s are 12. 5 1s are, a means 1a. 5 1s are 5a. 5 3s are 15. You have expanded. Now you are going to arrange. We shall arrange like terms, a with a, constant with constant, and your answer is 13a plus 27. The next example I have is of the same type but with the variable outside. 60 bracket 5d minus 4 plus 2d bracket 3d minus 2. Okay, 6 multiply 5, 30. D multiply d is d square. Minus 6 4s are 24d plus 3 2s are 6. D multiply d is d square. Notice when there is no sign here, it's a positive sign. And now minus 2 into 2 minus 4d. Expansion done. Now we shall arrange d square with d square and d with d. Constant term is not here. So 30d square and 6d square both are positive. We shall add with the positive sign. There is no need to write the positive sign in the start. If there is no sign, it's positive. 24d and 4d both are negative. We shall add, but our answer will be negative 28d. The next example is 3x plus x plus 7 bracket close 2x minus 1. We shall expand this area and 3x will remain with it, the answer of the expansion, and we shall use this 3x when we shall simplify. So if I open this bracket, x bracket 2x minus 1 plus 7 bracket 2x minus 1. I shall add one thing here. If this sign is negative, then we shall write minus x, and if this sign is negative, we shall write minus 7. And for example, if both the signs are negative, we shall write plus 7. So we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, 3x plus x multiplied 2x square plus and minus. You will have minus sign. X multiplied 1 is x plus 7 2s are 14x plus minus 7 1s are 7. You have expanded. Multiply this x with these two, 7 with these two. Now we are going to simplify. When we shall simplify, we will first take the square term, then we shall have all our terms with coefficient 1, 3x, x and 14x, and at the end we shall have 7 which has 0x. 2x square, 3x positive minus 1x negative, total 2x and 14x, total we have 16x minus 7. The next question which I have chosen for you is lengthy but not difficult. Actually, we are having two pairs of brackets. First of all, we shall solve these two pairs and then we shall subtract. So when I shall expand it, I shall write 4x bracket x plus 2 minus 3 bracket x plus 2. Now when I have to open it, to differentiate between these two pairs, I will use another pair of brackets, that is bar brackets or square brackets. I start with 3x bracket minus x minus 9 minus 5 bracket minus x minus 9. You can observe that now when we shall be opening these small brackets, or we are further expanding it, we shall remove these bar brackets and make these bar brackets small brackets. Okay, round brackets. 4 1s are 4, x multiply x is x square, 4 2s are 8x minus 3x. This minus sign will change this sign and you will have minus 3 2s are 6. This minus sign here, this minus will come here, minus 3x square minus 9 3s are 27x. Minus sign and minus sign both are negative, so we will have positive 5x and again positive 45. First of all, we have to arrange inside. It's already arranged. So we shall write 4x square. 8x minus 3x is 5x minus 6. This minus sign as it is, minus 3x square, 27x plus 5 minus 22x plus 45. Why it's minus 22x? Because they have opposite sign and 27 is bigger. So we shall subtract and put the negative sign, which was the sign of 27. Now I am going to open these brackets, or in other words, I am going to do another expansion, and then we shall do another simplification. 4x square plus 5x minus 6 will be as it is because there was no sign here, so it's a negative sign, a positive sign, sorry. But this negative sign will change the inner signs. This 3x square is negative, but when we shall multiply with this negative 1 or negative sign, we shall have positive 3x square, positive 22x and negative 45. After expansion, we have to arrange and simplify. 4x square plus 3x square arranged, 5x and 22x arranged, 6 and 45, 4 and 3 7x square, 22 and 5 27x, and minus 45 and 6 is minus 51. Another question with 2 pairs of brackets, but this question has an additional 2 with these 2 brackets. Okay, the same method. I shall take this 2x inside 5x minus 2 plus 3 bracket 5x minus 2 square bracket close. Now this minus 2, I would recommend you to put this minus 2 outside and open these two. 5x bracket x plus 1 minus 3 bracket x plus 1. When we shall open it, 2x, I shall make this bar bracket or square bracket a small bracket, round bracket. 5 2s are 10x square, 2 2s are 4x negative plus 3 5s are 15x minus 3 2s are 6. This minus 2 will remain as it is. In this step, we shall multiply with this 2 after expansion and simplification of this bracket. 5 1s are 5x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3. Simplify these two as these are like terms. 10x square plus 11x minus 6 minus 2 bracket 5x square as it is. 5x minus 3x, 2x positive because 5 is bigger and its sign is positive. We shall take positive 2x minus 3. Now we shall first multiply these 3 terms with 2. Then we shall add or subtract with this. One more thing, as there is no like term now, these 3 terms cannot be simplified anymore. 10x square plus 11x minus 6 minus 10x square. So 10x square cancelled with 10x square, minus plus minus 4x plus plus 6, and 6 is also cancelled with negative 6. So the final answer of such a long question is so small, that is 7x. Okay, this question has a pair of brackets, but the first bracket has total 2 terms, but the second bracket has 3 terms. So we have to multiply or we have to expand. The same method, x bracket x square minus 7x minus 2, but now we shall be having inside the bracket 3 terms. So total we shall be having 6 terms. 3 bracket x square minus 7x minus 2. X square into x, x cube. 7x into x minus 7x square minus 2x plus 3x square. 7 3s are 21x minus 6. I hope now you can easily expand or multiply the term outside with the inner terms. Expansion done, brackets removed. Now we are going to arrange. First term is definitely with the maximum index power, that is 3. Then we shall have the power 2 terms. One more thing, if you are taking 7x square, this is negative 7x square, so minus sign will come with 7x square and positive sign will come with 3x square. Now we have minus 2x, minus 21x, and at the end we have minus 6. So when we shall simplify, we shall have x cube, 7x square is negative, 3x square is positive. Opposite sign you will subtract with the sign of the bigger term. When you will have both x is negative, you will add, same sign you will add, opposite sign you will subtract. So it is 21 and 2, 23x with negative sign and minus 6. X minus 1, x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 1. Open the same procedure. X bracket x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 1 bracket x square plus 2x minus 1. X multiply x square, x cube plus 2x square minus 1 into x minus x square. This minus will change the inner signs. Minus 1 plus 2 is minus 2x and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Expanded. Now arranged x cube, 2x square and x square plus 2x square but negative x square, negative x, negative 2x plus 1. Simplify after arrangement. X cube plus x square minus 3x plus 1, the answer. So basically first we expand, that is remove the brackets, then we arrange. First expand, then we arrange, and at the end we simplify. Simplify means we add the like terms, add or subtract the like terms. Now the last question with 2 brackets, but the first bracket is having 3 terms and the second bracket having 2 terms. So we can expand this bracket taking this bracket inside, or we can take this bracket outside, this inside, doesn't matter, and I shall do it in both ways to just clear you that we can do the question in either way. Okay, minus 3x square bracket 3 minus x minus 3x bracket 3 minus x plus 4 bracket 3 minus x. 3 3s are 9x square. Notice I have taken this bracket with 3x square with 3x and 4. 3 3s are 9x square minus 3x cube. X square multiply power x1, we shall add the powers. When the base is same, power is added, or you can say 2x and 1x, 3x. 3 3s are 9x with negative sign. This minus and minus sign will become positive. 3 with 1x is 3 1s are 3, x power 2. 4 3s are 12 minus 4x. Arrange it. First of all we shall have 3x cube, then we shall have 9x square from here and 3x square from there. This is positive 3x square and positive 9x square. Then negative 9x, negative 4x, at the end we have positive 12. Arranged, expanded. Now we are going to simplify. As there is only single term with x3, it will remain as it is. 9 plus 3, 12x square. 9 and 4 both are negative, 13x with negative sign plus 12. Okay, I am going to do the same question for you. With opening of the bracket which has 2 terms, and you will observe that the answer remains the same. What we are going to do, we are going to write 3 bracket, the whole bracket, 3x square minus 3x plus 4 minus x bracket 3x square minus 3x plus 4. I think this method is easier. 3 3s are 9x square 3 3s are 9x, 4 3s are 12, perhaps the marker is light, minus 3x cube, now this is 3x cube, minus minus plus 9x and minus 4x. Okay, 3x cube is coming here in the start, this one. Then we have 9x square, this one, and the other x square. Where is the other x square? We have missed this 3, 1 the 3, 9x square. So this is 9x square and this is basically 3x cube and 3x square. Sorry, it is basically 3x square. Okay, 9x square plus 3x square. Now we have 12x square, right? Then we have to take the terms with single coefficient or linear. Power 1, 9x from here and 4x from there. You have 13x plus 12. So your final answer is same.